Technivormm Moccamaster 79114 KBT coffee brewer, 40 ounces, black. The top coffee maker choice of coffee brewing experts. Easy use, 1-button operation and 4 to 6 minute brew time for 40 ounces of coffee. Manual adjust brew basket allows you to customize your coffee. This coffee maker features a stainless steel thermal carafe to keep coffee hot longer. Backed by a 5-year warranty. Manual drip stop brew basket with stainless steel thermal carafe. Exclusive copper heating element shuts off automatically after brew cycle is complete. Brews full or a half carafe in 4 to 6 minutes. Brews at consistent 196° 205° F with a pulse action that allows for the perfect coffee bloom during extraction process. ECBC, SCAA approved. 5-year warranty, valid only when purchased from an authorized reseller. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.